In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write an article on LinkedIn. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank page to a polished post that attracts the right readers and invites conversation. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Because your article is tied to your profile, take a moment to ensure your photo, headline, and about section look professional. A strong profile builds trust before anyone even reads your first line. From your homepage, look for the option that says Write Article, usually just beneath the post creation box. Click it to open LinkedIn's publishing platform, which gives you a clean editor with space for a title, cover image, and body text. Begin with a clear, benefit-driven headline. Think about what someone gains by clicking. A headline like How I Landed My First Virtual Assistant Client with No Experience sets expectations, promises value, and sparks curiosity without being clickbait. Next, add a cover image. Click the image area at the top and upload a high-quality, relevant photo. Choose something that reflects your topic and tone. A strong visual increases clicks and helps your article stand out in the feed. Open with a compelling introduction. Hook readers right away by asking a question, describing a relatable problem, or sharing a short story. For instance, struggling to get clients as a beginner virtual assistant? I've been there, and here's what worked for me. Keep it focused and invite the reader to keep going. Structure your content so it's easy to scan. Use clear headings, short paragraphs, and, where appropriate, concise bullet lists. A simple flow works best. A brief introduction, your main points with tips or steps, a few examples or personal insights, and a concise conclusion that ties everything together. Deliver real value. Share practical, actionable advice and lessons you've learned. Concrete examples beat theory, and specifics help readers apply your ideas immediately. Write in simple, professional language. Imagine explaining this to a colleague or client. Keep sentences short, avoid jargon when you can, and define any necessary terms. Enhance readability with visuals if they support your message. Images, brief video clips, or compact lists can break up text and improve engagement. Close with a strong conclusion and a clear call to action. Summarize your key point and guide readers on what to do next. You might say, what's your biggest challenge as a virtual assistant? Share in the comments. I'd love to help. Before you publish, proofread. Check grammar and spelling, trim filler, and make sure your ideas flow logically. When you're ready, click publish, add a short description for the preview, and share it with your network. Finally, promote your article, post it to your feed, include relevant hashtags like #virtualassistant, #freelancing, and #LinkedIn tips, and respond to comments to boost visibility. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials.